Okay guys, so today we're going to make a gluten-free pumpkin bread, and this time around we're going to be using coconut oil instead of what we used the last time. Of course, as you know, coconut oil is a healthier choice. So let's get started. 2 cups of gluten-free flour, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 2 teaspoons of yeast, a quarter cup of oats, a quarter cup of coconut oil, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, and 1 egg. Okay guys, so I left my dough to rest. Here's my dough. I left my dough to rest for about 1.5 hours in the microwave. So now I'm going to add it to my baking pan, and we're going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Of course, I have my oven preheating at this point in time. If you do give this recipe a try, guys, be sure to let me know in the comments how it turned out. I would love to hear from you. Alright, so here we have our dough in our pan. Let's head over to the oven. Okay guys, so our gluten-free pumpkin bread is now completed. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give it a try and let me know, as I said before, in the comments below how it turned out. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you would know when new videos are published. See you in my next video. Bye for now.